the stone that I have chosen. I moved it from there to here. There is some huge stones here, all free from the bedrock. But these are essentially coming out of this cliff, and the ocean is washing out the underside, and then they fall down, ready to be mined. We've got ratchet straps in replacement of ancient rope, and over here are my flotation devices. So I've gone for a very risky option, which is giant latex balloons. So it's about 3:30 in the morning and I'm down on the beach, and here is the stone that I have chosen. It was too risky. It's still out there, doesn't seem to be moving too much. And then I've returned the following low tide. The stone was right here. Where is it? Is the question. If we walk over here, round the side, here it is. That's my megalith. I moved it from there to here. Not so bad after all. So me and this stone have got a little bit of unfinished business, and one day I will come back for you, I promise.